What is he saying? Goat.
That one, yeah.
Not you, puppy. I think you're hungry. Come on, puppy.
What is that, Connor? Goat. Connor, can you say goat? Which one did you feed, Derek? What's your favorite one? Where's your favorite one?
The little one.
Oh.
He's a good boy.
Yes, he is.
Oh my God!
Oh, he took the whole bag. There's still food in there or no? There's a couple more pieces. Get that couple pieces out of there and you're all done.
Why are you?